Hello everyone. What's this? McDonald's? Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. We're loving it. Alright. We got what is this, love?
Crispy McChicken.
Crispy
Plain.
McChicken. Okay. We got the McCrispy right here. Alright. Here you go, love. That's the receipt. Alright. We got the McCrispy. Okay. And here she is. Ba-boom. Looking quite beautiful. Got some pickles on there. We're going to give it a try the way it is. Ooh, it's a little windy out here, y'all. We're outside. It's a beautiful day. And having some McDonald's. My beautiful love. Thank you. I give the sandwich a high 10 out of 10. What did you say, love?
10 of 10. It's my favorite.
Give you a smile. Okay. Now we got, what do we have here, love?
Special.
We got some new sauces. Okay, we got some new sauces, y'all. All right, I'm going to have you take this, love. Okay. We got some new sauces, y'all. We got the Hunter sauce. This looks interesting. And we have the Demon sauce. All right. I'm going to have you hold this, love. Quick handoff. All right, y'all. We're going to try the Demon sauce first. What do you say? All right. Demon sauce here. All right. If I can, here we go. Ooh, it's purple. Smells good. I'm going to have you taste it first, love. Go ahead. All right. What do you think it tastes like, love? That tastes really good, y'all. Give the sauce a high 10 as well.
A high 10. It's savory. It tastes slightly like horseradish or onions. Tastes good.
Yeah, I would have to agree with that as well, my love. All right, y'all. That's the Demon sauce. Now we got the Hunter sauce. Real quick. It tastes really good.
Sweet and sour and very
Good.
sweet.
High